While the overall numbers of COVID-19 cases continue to go up each day, that doesn't necessarily mean all the news is bad. Memorial Health is seeing some success in its treatment of patients and now think it may avoid the once expected surge. The infectious disease specialist provided some updates today. Our Dave Williams was there.
Dr. Stephen Thacker is Memorial Health's Associate Chief Medical Officer and infectious disease expert. And he's been on the front line since this pandemic outbreak more than a month ago. And for the first time, he's expressing some optimism with some of the signs he's seeing from data and his patients.
We have a total of about 39, so now almost 40 patients who have received care at Memorial, have been diagnosed with COVID-19, and are home recovering or already well, which is a good story for the community. And I know there's similar messages that are coming out of other hospitals in our region as well.
And Dr. Thacker believes there's a reason why things seem to be turning around.
We have not seen a true surge yet. I think that is a testament to how serious we took this as a community and a state with regards to social distancing and strategies to minimize the spread of this illness.
The state of Georgia is not supposed to reach its peak of coronavirus cases until around May 1st or so, but Dr. Thacker likes the way things are going, and he's optimistic that that won't be as bad as initially thought.
I am optimistic. You know, it is reassuring to hear that we have changed really in every model that you look to. The number of people who are getting sick from this in a surge environment is lower, and that's an important thing because it means that we'll be able to deliver better care and not be challenged with stresses about capacity and not enough PPE in our health systems in Georgia.
Dr. Thacker does warn, though, we still need to continue with social isolation and masking to help prevent another potential peak in the coming weeks. In Savannah, Dave Williams, WJCL 22 News.